So there's a product that launched from Antwerp, my hometown, a couple of years ago, which is really good to protect your ears and to keep them safeguarded from any significant noises, as well as to help you focus. It's called the Loop. Now, Marie has bought her already quite some time ago, and it intrigued me actually in the past couple of weeks to really also look for it myself, see if it makes sense, if I can use it for something. So during the Amazon Prime days, they had it on discount. So I thought that's a signal, I gotta try it. So let's unbox it. I got the loop switch. So this is also one where it has 3 settings that you can switch through. It comes in a neat little box with different sizes of ears. It reduces noise reduction levels, and it has 3 settings: engage conversation, experience, and quiet. So the engage setting is for real conversations, to really avoid that humming feeling, humming sounds of surrounding you, so that you can really focus on that person across from you. Whereas the experience is more like, for example, in July, Tomorrowland, where you just want to go out and enjoy the music, but don't want to come back home with this tinnitus kind of feeling where they're like beep at the end of the night. And then the quiet is really to have those focus moments where you just have to pass your way through the day and just need to focus on finishing a presentation. So here on the loop itself, you can see 3 different circles, and these 3 different circles that also correspond to 3 settings blocks out specific wavelengths of sound. It feels quite relaxed. It just feels like I'm having my AirPods in, so it's really not bothering me a lot. Yeah, I'm excited to try it out in different settings, and we'll keep you posted.
There's a lot of cars passing by. They really filter out all the ambient noise. It's a great way to hop on public transport. When I'm cooking with my ear loops, I can smell the food so much more savory. I can just really focus one of my senses.
I've just used the engage mode during a video call for work. I hear my own voice a lot lower. I wonder if this is how people usually hear my voice, like it's a 60 kind of voice. But in any case, like the video chat itself was still very audible for me. I didn't notice any decrease in quality of the conversation, but I also put myself inside a bubble, so I don't know whether the audio that I would usually be disrupted by, or the noise that I would usually get disrupted by, would have influenced my call now in this case or not. I'm gonna try it out in a team meeting in a bit, so let's see. So I've been playing around a bit with the loop switches, and I have to say I'm really impressed. When I was using it in engage mode yesterday during my one-to-ones, it was really like I could still hear the surroundings but at a lower volume and a lower bass. But the person that I was actually interacting with was super clear. It's already making a huge difference in how I interact with my people, with my team, as well as with myself, like to really put focus time where focus time matters. Yeah, I'm just really curious still, like how it actually works, because I don't think there's any electronics in this device. It's purely mechanical function. So we're gonna deep dive into that as well.
Earplugs are even great when you're going out for a walk in the forest, because you can really settle yourself in the nature, enjoy peace and quiet, and just really tune in your body with how the nature feels around you. I mean, I've never felt my breath so clear within myself, and it's like going for a walk in the park. Really fun fact that I really enjoy about this company is actually that they started out here in Antwerp, where I was born, and I love it. So support your local businesses, even when they're already scaling up and really growing into becoming big corporates. Go check them out. You might be starting to wonder, how do these small things actually work, and how do they actually bring you peace of mind? Well, unlike other technology like the Apple Pods, the ear loops are not based on electricity. They're not electrical functioning. They're based on pure physics. And how it actually works is that the ear loop fits perfectly to mimic your ear canal, your ear channel. It acts as like an acoustic filter. So depending on the setting that you apply, like the engage, the quiet, the focus, a different length of that acoustic filter is being activated, so different frequencies of sound will get filtered out from the exterior until it reaches your ear canal. And that's basically how you really get a lower noise in your ear. It's amazing. It's really simple, pure physical, no electronics involved. So definitely recommend for you if you want to get more focus, more mindfulness in your day. So, what's the final verdict on the Loop Earplugs Switch? Well, I would say price, quality of functionality, it's the best there is. However, comparing it to the competition might not always be fair, because like those little earplugs that you get for free at festivals, they just don't have the same level of quality. And they also don't let you really experience what the Loop earplug allows you to experience, both the festival sound as well as the interaction with your friends. On the other hand, you have the other side of the spectrum, like AirPods and other sound cancelling electronic earphones. They have other features that the Loop earplug doesn't have, like you can tune into your music, but what they don't offer is they don't allow you to tune into your own mind and soul. So for me, especially the electronics, they serve a different purpose. Comparing it with like the free earplugs, it's a no-brainer, and Loop earplugs is the way to go. So go purchase yourself some Loop earplugs, whether they're the Switch or whether you have a taste for something better from a fashion perspective. From us, Innovatology on the Loop earplugs is an 8.5 out of 10. Why not a 10? Because we believe that this company is still innovating further on their own designs, and they will come out with something even better than the Switch Loop earplugs in the near future. So stay tuned, follow them, and whether you're into walking into nature or going for a festival or just want to have more engaging conversation with your friends or team members or family, the Loop earplug Switch is the one to go.